Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I'm coming to you with part 2 of a collab that I'm participating in. It is in phases or a series, and this collab is hosted by 3 of my beautiful sisters: Easy Living with Elle, Create with Cindy, and MultifacettedMe, SFB. Now with this collaboration, the title of this collaboration is the Summer Sips, Eats, and Sweets collaboration. And this is part 2, the eat part of this collab. Now what they wanted us to do, they wanted us to share a salad recipe that we love making for the summer. Well guys, I'm going to show you 2, alright? I love salads. I can eat salads every day if I could. But these 2 salads are my favorite, so we're just going to jump right in. Now this is a cornbread salad, alright? The ingredients that you will need are some Jiffy cornbread mix, and you need to prepare this according to the package. You will need some shredded cheese. I'm kind of cheating with this a little bit. This is how I can get it done quicker. I have some peppers, green, red, yellow. You can use what you want. I also have some green onions, but you can use red peppers, you can use your yellow, excuse me, I have green onions here. You can use your red onions or your yellow onions, your white onions. It's to your taste and to your liking. Again, this is another cheap method. You can either make some bacon strips and chop it up, but I just use some bacon bits here, or chopped up bacon in the bag. It's one of my cheap methods. I have corn here. This is the whole kernel corn that you will drain. Another cheap method, I use petite diced tomatoes. I use these quite often in my salads, all my salads. Instead of buying tomatoes and going through the chopping phase, I just use this. And some red beans, all right? So I have those. So right now I'm going to prepare my cornbread, and I'll show you the next step, so stay tuned. Alright guys, my hands are clean, and this is the fun part. I have my cornbread baked and it is cool. What I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to start with half of this. I'm going to cut this in half and cut it in sections here. I also have a trifle bowl here. I'm going to start layering my food in the trifle bowl. All right. But first, I'm going to take the cornbread and I'm going to crumble it up. This is why you have to make sure that this is cool. For one, it is a salad, and you don't want to crumble or touch hot cornbread unless you're eating it. Now this is a salad that is a treat because of the cornbread. This is not a healthy salad, but it is good. I'm going to use half of what I baked here. I'm not going to put all of this in here. We'll have the other half for dinner. So I have that layer in there. Let's set that aside. Next, I'm going to take my red beans. I'll put a layer in here. This is where that fiber come in. I love red beans. There's that layer. I did not use all of it. I used 2 cans. You can use as much as you want. Next is my corn. And you can put in, to your liking what layer you want to put. You can even add actually what vegetables you want to add, It's to your liking, really. These are the vegetables that I love to use in it. Making a mess here. I'm going to add my peppers. Spread that all around there. Tomatoes. my onions. I'm dumping them all, guys. Then I'm going to take my cheese. Open it. But before I do that, take some salad dressing. I'm going to go over the top with the salad dressing. How delicious, right? And this is ranch salad dressing. I have a big bowl or big bottle of ranch dressing that you will not use the whole thing. And I'm going to take my cheese, my shredded cheese. Yum, yum. So good. And lastly, the bacon bits. But again, you can layer this like you want it, to your liking. And there it is, my cornbread salad. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put the lid on top here. Put it in the refrigerator so those flavors can marry together. I'll do that for a couple of hours and then we'll dig in. So stay tuned. Alright. Alright guys, and here's my salad here. My cornbread salad. It has been sitting in the fridge for probably 4 to 6 hours, so I know that it's good. I hope you give this recipe a try. I'm also going to give you a glance of another salad that is easy to put together. It's just a tossed salad. I'll show you how I lay it out. But again, I would like to thank our hostesses, Easy Living with Elle, Create with Cindy, and MultifacettedMe with SFB. Thank you ladies so much for hosting this collaboration. I'm looking forward to next week's video as well. Please go over to these ladies' channels, show them some love, tell them I sent you, as well as take a look at the playlist of the fabulous creators that are participating in this collaboration. I cannot wait to see what they came up with and all the nice recipes for this summer. And I would like to thank you for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.
Alright guys, and this is the Lazy Susan that you always see sitting here on my island that I have like home decor on lots of times. Well, this is how it really came, with these dishes, minus the big one in the middle. It came with a smaller one, a very smaller one. But this is how I set up my salads the majority of the time, especially when we're entertaining. But I decided to set it up for family tonight. Have my red onion, have my bacon bits, tomatoes, shredded cheese, chopped up chicken, grilled chicken, and croutons. And here's my romaine lettuce. So any toppings that my family wants, they can choose which ones they want, instead of mixing all of it together and they're not satisfied. And here's our dinner for tonight. The salad, of course, with some garlic bread, and lasagna. Let's give you one more look of my salad here. I found this server here years ago. I've had it for several years. Probably gonna say about 6 years, from Sam's Club. Alright, that is my dinner for tonight.